The host loads a deck in under a minute. Press pass myth, terror act twist, taxpayer punchline promised. It's the bait that hooks you before the first word is traded on the pavement. And already you sense the bill won't land on the copper who signs it.
Any reason why you're filming the police station?
Yeah, there is a reason, yeah.
What is the reason?
Can you please identify yourself first?
Sorry?
Can you please identify yourself first?
I'm Sergeant Mark Coates.
Sergeant Mark. And show number?
Show number's there.
5377.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm independent journalist. I'm gathering footage for a story.
You're an independent journalist?
Yes.
Have you got a press pass?
I'm independent. So.
Okay, you don't work for anyone then?
So do you know what independent is?
As in, are you working for a particular company?
No, I'm independent. I work for myself.
A sergeant invents a license that doesn't exist, then leaps to Section 43 like it's a cheat code. The auditor keeps it polite, but every syllable tightens a spring. One more wrong answer and your phone becomes state property.
So what is the purpose of filming today?
Just gathering some footage for a story, sir.
What's the story?
I cannot tell you. I'm still working on it, so I cannot say.
But what is the reason that you're filming? Because this is a secure police building.
Yeah.
We obviously have to ask questions why people are filming.
Yeah, and I told you.
You said it's for a story, but you haven't told me what the story's about.
But I don't have to tell you about the stories, but I'm still working on it, right? So it's not finished. If it's finished, when I publish it, you'll see what the story is. But I'm still working on it, so I don't want to compromise my story.
You're not going to compromise the story, because I'm not. From my point of view, I just need to be happy you're here for the right reasons. Yeah. Because police officers and police buildings are potential targets.
Okay.
For terrorism and attacks, etc. So I have to be happy the reason why you're here.
So how can I make you happy?
By telling me what the idea is your story is about.
I cannot tell you about the story. I'm just gathering some footage, so I'm an independent journalist, and that's it really.
But you've got a story in mind.
Yeah, I do have a story in mind, yeah.
So I need to know what that story is about. Is it to do with what the security like around the police building, what the coming and goings?
I cannot tell.
Because the route we're going to go down is you're going to be stopped and searched under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, whereby we will seize your phone, we'll look at your phone and say,
you're going to seize my phone?
We can seize your phone if we feel we have to.
What ground, sir?
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
The grab. No warning, no warrant, no terror plot. Just a hand on your lens and your digital life spirited away. In that blink, filming becomes evidence, journalists become suspect, and the pavement turns into a courtroom without a defense.
What grounds
Just telling you, let me explain.
Okay.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you can be stopped and detained and searched. And part of that search, we can look at your phone and we can see what photographs you've got.
Yeah, but
don't turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning my phone off.
Take your phone off, we will see.
No, I'm not turning my phone off.
Right, so that's the route we can go down. I'm not saying we will go down that route, but at the moment, I'm not satisfied the reason why you're filming here. You've told me it's for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment. It's Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, because you seem to be trying to... It's for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about. But do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want. No.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
Detention declared, reason evaporated. The sergeant leans on a law that demands suspicion he can't name, then dresses the silence with routine. Refuse the search and you're uncooperative. Comply and you confess to a crime that never was.
Because you seem to be trying to turn it off.
No, just because I couldn't hold it. Please keep recording. Keep recording. Yeah. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I want to keep recording, sir. I want to keep recording.
You can still record.
Okay.
But on two occasions you went like that to press a
button. No, because I'm just filming and I just want to make sure I hold it correctly. No, I don't want to stop filming. Please keep filming. Oh, now it's stop filming. I want to continue filming. Can I continue filming?
Have you got any ID on you, sir?
Sorry.
Listen to my.
Sorry, I just want. Sorry, can I just want to record it, just to make sure.
Isn't your GoPro filming?
Yeah.
Is your GoPro
I'm not sure. Sorry. Hold on. I don't want to turn it off.
Do a favour, mate. Can you go into the front office and see if they're aware of this gentleman outside?
Can you please record me? Can you record me?
No. Listen to what my.
Yeah, but I want to make sure.
This is all being recorded anyway.
Okay.
Audio and visual.
Okay.
Have you got any ID, sir?
So, have I committed a crime?
Well, that's right. We'll go down the route then. You're now detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. You're going to be stopped and searched. Part of that, I need your details so I can check to see who you are, and we have the power.
But you're abusing. Okay. So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
I'm not saying I'm going to arrest you. I'm saying you'll be detained. I've asked you the reason why you're filming.
Yeah.
You've told me for a story.
Yeah. I'm independent journalist.
Which is fine. I understand that. But you can't tell me the story. So
I cannot tell you the story, right? Because I'm working on it. It's not finished yet, sir.
But you must have the concept.
Yeah, I'm just walking around and film in the city of London.
And you're filming a police station.
Yeah, why not? I'm staying on a public, right? This is a public payment.
Yeah.
So you took my phone, right?
I've took your phone because I think you were trying to.
No, I don't want to. I just want to be filmed because I want to make sure what I'm doing is right, right? I'm not hiding. I want to keep filming. I don't want to stop filming. Please film me. Can I have? So you seize my phone, and I'm not happy with seizing my phone.
We haven't seized it. We've taken it off you.
Well, we take it, but it's not in me. It's not in me. No, I don't want to turn it off. I want to continue filming. Can I have my phone and continue filming, sir?
At the moment, you're detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Part of that is we are going to examine your phone for photographs you've been taken today, and power to do that is under Section 43. And also, I need to do some name checks on you, so I need some of your ID.
Okay.
Cross-examination on the curb. Do you think I'm a terrorist? No, checkmate. Section 43 collapses under its own weight, yet the cuffs stay out because admitting fault would break the costume of infallibility.
So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
Not particularly, but we will make some more inquiries. The quicker we get your ID, the quicker we can check.
So if it is a lawful order, I give him a lawful order to give my identity.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you are detained. As part of that, we have the power to look at your phone and also do some checks on you and to search you.
Okay, but so is it a lawful order?
It's an order. It's a
I
power.
give him a lawful order. So if you give me a lawful order to give you my name and date of birth, I'm gonna give it, but under the threat of arrest. If you don't give me
a threat of arrest.
So if it's not under the threat of arrest, I don't want to give it.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, we need to do some checks on you. Have you got? You are detained for a search.
Oh, I'm detained. Okay, I'm not going to answer any questions.
Take your bag off, please.
Okay,
Put your phone away for the time being, okay?
I do not agree on any search or seizures.
Right. Shall I explain why you've been detained then?
Explain. What are the grounds?
Because you are seen outside the police station filming. As we've passed you, you're holding your phone like this, so we can photograph of yourself, but clearly filming the gate. Part of that gate is a security pad, so I don't know whether you're filming to see if officers are pressing that to get access to the building. This is a police building. You gave a reason you're an independent journalist and you're making a story. But you can't tell me the context of that story. You can't tell me why you're here.
I told you.
You haven't.
I told you, sir.
What's the story about?
I told you. I'm just walking around London and filming.
Camera equals weapon. Backpack equals arsenal. Logic stretched until it snaps. When everyday objects morph into threats, the only thing left to confiscate is reality itself, and the search becomes a fishing trip with no lake.
But you said you're making a film about the police station.
Police station, whatever I see, maybe the other things I see.
What's the reason for that?
I'm independent journalist. This is what the journalists do: go around and film. That's it.
But there's got to be the story you're doing.
Yeah.
There's some context to that story.
Yeah, but the context, I don't know what I'm going to see, right?
That's why you've been searched. Because you can't tell me why you're here.
I don't agree. I don't agree on any search and seizure. Okay. Sorry, what's your name and the show number?
5458.
5458. Okay. Okay.
So are you recording that just for information?
I hope so.
Okay, that's fine. Have you got any?
But I don't answer any questions.
Right, I'm going to ask you one question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that can harm me or harm
I don't answer any questions.
On Sergeant Mark Coates, warrant numbers 218 218186 attached to Southwark Police Station. You are detained
218186.
You are detained under Section 43.
I don't agree. I don't agree with any search seizure. I'm gonna file a civil claim against you because you're violating my rights. I'm staying on public property, peacefully exercising my rights to film in public. I've done nothing wrong.
I haven't seen you done anything wrong.
What grounds do you have to believe I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were a terrorist.
So why are you using Section 43 of Terrorism Act if I'm not a terrorist?
Nice and calm. Because you are filming outside a police station.
But you said I'm not a terrorist, sir.
I didn't say you were a terrorist. I said you're detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So do you think I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were.
Why using Section 43? You have to have a reasonable grounds to believe I'm a terrorist.
Because you're seen outside the police station filming a keypad and officers going in and out.
But that's not real ground.
But in this current role, obviously, a lot of police officers are targeted by people who wish to do us harm.
You don't have reasonable grounds, sir.
The receipt arrives. 1,500 pounds, picked from your pocket, not his. No apology, no discipline. Just a quiet settlement and a channel reminder that rights and use rust faster than handcuffs in the rain.
You're violating my rights with this search. I don't agree on that. You seized my phone. You searched me. You took it away from me.
Because I believe you were attempting to switch it off.
But you cannot stop me of doing what I want with my phone.
I asked you twice not to try and touch your phone because I believe you might.
Yeah, because my hand was tired.
You keep talking over me. I can't explain it. Let me explain to you.
I don't answer any questions.
You don't answer the question, but I'm going to explain why we've got your phone. On 2 occasions, while you were filming me, which you've got the right to do, at the building, in my opinion, you attempted to switch the phone either on or off and possibly delete some footage on that phone. So that's
So you prevent me from using my technology.
So let me finish. So I told you on one occasion, please do not attempt to switch your phone off and do anything with it, which you stopped doing. Then on the second occasion, you tried to do exactly the same. I told you if you carried on doing that, your phone will be taken off you. And that's what we've done. We haven't seized your phone. We are going to examine your phone for photographs under section 43, but we haven't seized your phone. We have the power to seize your phone if we feel there is evidence on there. But at the moment we haven't seized it. We're just taking it off you to stop you trying to delete stuff. Does that explain it?
I don't answer any questions.
Can you turn around for me again?
This is unlawful. Unlawful. I've done nothing wrong. Yeah. We'll hear from me. I'm going to file a lawsuit against you. This is absolutely illegal what you're doing. I do not agree on searching my bag.
You may not agree on it, sir, but I've tried to explain on a number of occasions.
Yeah. I don't agree on that. This is unlawful search of my bag. Unlawful. Sorry, what are you expecting to find, sir? You have to tell me what you're expecting to find from my bag. Under section 42 of Terrorism Act. What are you expecting to find, sir?
There may be evidence that you are using...
Like what?
If you're not going to keep talking over me, I'm not going to be able to explain to you.
Okay, you have to tell me before starting the search actually. Can you tell me what you're expecting to find in my bag and in myself?
I'll explain to you, you've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act because we have the power to search your phone and your bag and you for any article...
But you have to tell me. You have to tell me.
You don't want to talk or you do want to talk?
I just want to understand.
Any articles that you may use in the event of planning a terrorist attack.
Like what?
Any article. A camera, a weapon, anything.
Now people think I'm terrorist now.
No one thinks that, sir.
Yeah, sure. I'm here, you're searching my back like I've done something wrong. Crazy. 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 You're violating my rights.
I've explained to you on a couple of occasions the reason why you've been detained.
You have no grounds. Please don't use them.
Wait there a second, please. The car's coming out. Only halfway now. Wait there, please.
Can I also have the water, please?
If you don't mind, you'll have that when we're finished with the search, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, okay.
Just for safety, for everyone's safety.
Okay. A thorough search by the sergeant.
At the end of all this, the outcome was clear. The detention was ruled unlawful, and the taxpayer was left with the bill. £1,500 paid out because a sergeant thought he could bend the Terrorism Act to his will. And that's where the bigger picture comes in. This wasn't just one bad call, it was a complete breakdown of how the law is supposed to work. A phone seized without grounds, a search without a declared target, a detention without suspicion. Every safeguard that exists to protect the public was ignored. That's why these cases matter. They show exactly how fragile our rights become when officers overstep. And unless people know the limits of the police powers, these mistakes keep costing more in money, in trust, and in freedom. That's why I put together my Know Your Rights guide. It explains powers like section 43 in plain, so you're never left wondering where the line is. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit subscribe, share this video and drop your thoughts below. The more people see cases like this, the harder it is